Hello, welcome today to our video. Today we are going to show you installation of RPM files on Fedora Linux. So sit down, relax and enjoy. So we go to the terminal. Let me expand this window. Then the first command is let's see the downloads, because I had previously pre-downloaded the softwares. I've shifted to the directory of the downloads, long list. So we have two versions. We are going to use the first one of 3.38. I copied the name and then you just paste it there. You escalate the privileges to the sudo user by using the sudo ~max. After that you enter the password, just like that, and then after some time it will show you what you want to install, so you just click yes. The download size is 31 kilobytes. Installation size is 1.3 megabytes. So we just wait for the processes to complete and we are done. So we can start the program by just writing the name on the terminal, genome sudoku. Now you've already started it, so you can go easy and you can start playing the game there. So to cancel this command you can close it, Alt F4, or you can Control C on the terminal. That marks the end of our video, and thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe, share, and also give us comment on what you want us to do next. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.